Hello to all my YouTube friends. It's never too early to get going on the Christmas DIYs. We've got 6 months to Christmas, so let's get going with some fun Dollar Tree DIYs. Isn't there something oh so satisfying about seeing these pom-poms all organized by color? Whenever I see pom-poms, they come across as really festive, so I thought these pom-pom crafts would be the perfect way to get in the Christmas spirit. So here were some of the Dollar Tree finds that we will be using for our DIYs. I got this bag of pom-poms from Dollar Tree, but some of the smaller ones you'll see me use I had from a huge Amazon pom-pom bag that I had bought a while back. This video is part of a collab with Mama Dares to DIY and Sweet Urban Rose. I love both of their channels, and there will be a playlist with a bunch of other Christmas in July DIYs, so make sure to check out that link in my description box below this video. Do you want to build a snowman? I painted a ping pong ball from Dollar Tree with some white spray paint, and then I drew on a little face with a black marker. I added some felt and pom-poms for the earmuffs, and then I attached 2 pom-poms for the snowman's body. Looks like he's wearing a little red sweater. You could add some of this festive twine that I saw at Dollar Tree, and he would make a really cute little ornament. Another simple ornament is to add the string to the pom-pom, and you could leave it like this or add a little bow or another adornment to dress it up. Very simple but really elegant. Next, we're going to make a little gnome ornament. I made a hat from some Dollar Tree felt. And then I added some pom-poms and painted his nose pink. A little string at the top, and you have a really cute ornament. You could even do a whole tree full of these guys. This one will be a wreath ornament. First, I took a piece of cardboard and I cut it in a circle. Then I added a photo of my husband and I on our wedding day. For just a few pennies, we have a really pretty personalized ornament. You guys know I love simple yet elegant designs that are budget friendly. So this next one is just that. I took a Dollar Tree canvas and I wrote the word joy. You can use whatever word that you want or has meaning to you on your canvas. A few pom-poms later, and this would be so pretty sitting on the mantle or in your study. I just love the look of it. For this next canvas, I wanted the background to look like shiplap. So I took a thin paintbrush and drew some lines on it. After that dried, I hot glued some pom-poms in the shape of a Christmas tree. And then I added a few wooden cubes for the tree trunk. I found all of these items at Dollar Tree, so this was super cheap and fun to make. This one is my absolute favorite. I took a foam floral ring and wrapped this Dollar Tree yarn around it. I added a couple white and silver pom-poms, And this wreath is just so simple and elegant. I love how fuzzy and festive this looks, and it reminds me of snow. For this one, I took another Dollar Tree ping pong ball and I stuck those pom-poms right on there. I was running out of red and green pom-poms at this point, so I mixed it up a little bit with the colors on this one. They also have plastic baseballs at Dollar Tree, so if you wanted these a little bit bigger, you could go with one of those. If you want even more pom-pom crafts, I did a spring pom-pom DIY video right here, and then there's a little subscribe button right over here, so make sure to click on that so you'll know when my next video goes up. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.